Ever wondered just how crucial composting is for our planet, or how it can be effortlessly carried out right in your backyard? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving deep into the world of composting, a true game changer for any garden and a significant contributor to a healthier environment. Picture this, a world where nothing goes to waste. It sounds idyllic, doesn't it? But it's not as far-fetched as it might seem. Composting is a natural process that transforms your kitchen and garden waste into a nutrient-rich soil conditioner, the stuff of dreams for any garden enthusiast. To start composting at home, you'll need a compost bin. This isn't something fancy or expensive, just a simple container with a lid and a few holes for aeration. You can find one at your local garden store or even make one yourself. The first step in the composting journey is to understand the difference between green and brown materials. Green materials are rich in nitrogen and include things like vegetable peelings, coffee grounds, and fresh grass clippings. Brown materials, on the other hand, are rich in carbon and include items such as dried leaves, straw, and shredded newspaper. The magic begins when you start layering these materials in your compost bin. Start with a layer of brown materials at the bottom, followed by a layer of green. Continue this layering process until the bin is full, ensuring you add a bit of water after each layer to maintain moisture. Now, patience comes into play. The composting process can take anywhere from 2 to 6 months, depending on the materials used and the weather conditions. During this time, microorganisms break down the materials into compost. It's important to turn the compost with a pitchfork or shovel every 1 to 2 weeks to ensure that air circulates evenly throughout the pile. When the compost is dark and rich in color, it's ready to use. You can add it to your garden to enrich the soil and promote the growth of healthy plants. So, to summarize, composting is a simple, cost-effective way to reduce waste and improve the health of your garden. All you need is a compost bin, some green and brown materials, a bit of water, and a little patience. Remember, green materials provide nitrogen and brown materials provide carbon. Layering these materials, adding water, and turning the compost regularly will create a beneficial environment for microorganisms to do their work. In the end, you'll have a nutrient-rich compost that your plants will love, and you'll be doing your part to reduce waste and contribute to a healthier planet. Who knew that what many consider waste could be transformed into black gold for our gardens? That's the magic of composting. It's a win for us, a win for our gardens, and most importantly, a win for our planet. Composting may seem like a small step, but remember, the journey to a healthier planet begins with small, mindful actions, so why not start composting today? Your garden will thank you.